I could be worthy. Either you broke, either you wealthy. Give me a job, they say don't knock.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Trust you're good. So today we'll be working on this sweater. We'll be turning this into a crop Zara inspired sweater. So if you want to know how it turns out, you need to keep watching. To use this method to sew this style, the first thing you need to do is to measure the band of the sweater. Then you move up to the neck and measure how low you want the neck to be. I used 1.5 for mine. Then I measured shoulder to shoulder from one angle to the other, which I have 15.5. So the 15.5, I divided it into 3 equal parts. So the middle part is actually the most important one, which is going to help us identify the curve and how the sweater will be shaped. Once I've marked this thing, the next thing I did was to fold the sweater inward. So I ensured that the sewing allowance from the sleeve and then the side of the sweater connects so that it will look good and more professional when you're done sewing it. So you pin this side together and then you move to the other side as well. Ensure that the sewing allowance from the sleeve and then the sides are equal. Pin that as well together. So once this has been done, the next thing you do is to move to the center front. This defines everything. You have to ensure that the center front connects with the right place, as in you have to measure it and take your time. I bold all these things, but you don't have to do that. You can always make use of your pro to ensure that each side are equal. If you're still watching this and you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. We love to have you as part of our DIY family. So you keep on pinning, do your pinning, just take your time, and once you're through with the front, then it's time we move to the back as well. But perfection takes time, so you don't have to rush it. The way I do it. Then we turn this, so you lay this perfectly, gently, and then you start pinning as well. Don't forget to check out our previous post if you're new to this channel, and don't forget to drop a like, drop a comment, and also share this video link. I would really appreciate that. Check out our recent post, revamped Thriftflip open bag top, DIY art frame ideas, and DIY color block sweater, and a host of others. And so here's the last pin, and then the next thing we do is to sew this around. Let's go. Now here's the sewing machine, doing my thing how I know how to do it. So guys, if you have a sweater that is boring, or you've just been laying down and you have nothing to do with it, don't worry, don't throw it away. Thriftflip save life. Upcycling helps you save money. So all you need to do is just follow the instruction and the guidelines of this video, and you thank me later. You have to take this easy, because the lower band of the sweater is a bit smaller than the actual chest. The last ingredient you need for this project is patience. And then that's done. So let's trim out the excesses, the stuff we don't like, the ones we don't want, the excess baggage in our lives, that is making us unfashionable and untrendy. Yeah, girl. So no, don't snip that. Just doing that. So guys, if you're still watching this and you're new to this channel, what are you waiting for? You need to join us here. We are the lovely and the lively. Babe, no, don't cut that. Just take it easy. Don't rush yourself. Perfection takes time, obviously. So we are almost through with this project. Seriously, I can't wait to rock this. Like, for real, I can't wait. And I'm sure you can wait as well to see how it turns out. So there are still some extra excess fabric there, that's not making it look nice and professional. The detailing and the finishing needs to be on point. You trust me. So this has been done. Let's turn this baby inside and let's see how it looks. And voila! Oh my god, this is so pretty and so neat. Yeah. Don't you wish your girlfriend is cool like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't you? Oh, don't you? Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I hope you try this on your own and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Bye.